Mistplay does not show every gameplay detail as a traditional match-by-match history, so if your recent activity or game progress suddenly looks missing, first check whether your Mistplay earnings and game tracking are still updating. By the end, you'll know how to tell the difference between missing history, delayed tracking, and a real account problem. Start by reopening Mistplay. Completely close the app from your recent app screen, then launch it again. Check the game you were playing and look at your current units or game progress. If the balance is updating normally, the missing history may be a display or tracking history issue, rather than lost rewards. Next, restart your phone. After the restart, open Mistplay before opening the game. Then launch the game from the Mistplay game list and play normally for a short session. Return to Mistplay and check whether your activity or earnings update. If the game is not appearing correctly, check that you are using the same Mistplay account you normally use. Do not create another account to test the problem, because that can separate your activity between different profiles. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. Mistplay needs a working connection to communicate with its services and update account information. If your connection was interrupted while you were playing, the app may not immediately display the latest activity. On Android, you can also clear Mistplay's cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Mistplay, then open Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. Reopen Mistplay and check the game again. Avoid choosing Clear Data or Clear Storage, unless you know exactly what that option does on your device. Clearing temporary cache is different from resetting stored application data. You should also check for a Mistplay update in the Google Play Store. If an update is available, install it and reopen the app. If your Mistplay balance is correct, but the match history is missing, take screenshots of your current balance, the affected game, and any visible activity information. This gives Mistplay support something specific to investigate. If your balance also dropped or rewards from completed gameplay are missing, contact Mistplay support rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app. Include the game name, approximate time of the affected session, and screenshots that show the missing activity. The key point is that missing history does not automatically mean missing rewards. First, check your balance and current game tracking, then restart Mistplay, verify your account, check the connection, clear the cache, and update the app. Your next step is to launch the affected game through Mistplay and verify whether a new session is recorded correctly. If this fixed your missing activity problem, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.